Hello friends, welcome to my YouTube channel Dr. Sam's Biology. In this video we will discuss maternal effect or maternal effect genes. As its name is indicating, maternal effect means here mother is affecting and affecting to offspring. So it is this maternal effect phenomenon in genetics where phenotype of offspring is affected by mother. In maternal effect, phenotype of offspring is affected by mother. This phenotype is not affected by offspring itself and its father. So its phenotype is not affected by offspring itself and its father, but it is affected by mother only. Let's understand this with a hypothetical example. Suppose this is offspring and this offspring is showing any phenotype. Suppose blue eye color. Okay, and this is mother, this is his mother, and this is his father. So this gene that is causing blue eye color is absent in this offspring. The gene is not present there, and gene is also absent in father. But that gene is present in mother. Now you can see that here blue eye color of that organism is not due to genotype of this offspring itself or not due to genotype of its father, but it's due to genotype of mother, because that mother has a gene. That gene is causing blue color. So this phenomenon where phenotype of offspring is affected by genotype of mother is called maternal effect. And the gene that causing maternal effect, here this gene is causing maternal effect, it will be called maternal effect gene. So this is maternal effect or maternal effect gene. Now you can see that how this can affect this. The gene that is present in the mother can affect offspring. To affect this, first it should be there, but how it can affect? It can occur because suppose this is egg of mother and this egg is present inside the body of mother and this is male gamete. You can see that in this body the gene is present. Gene, suppose that gene for eye color is present. This gene will produce mRNA. And these mRNAs, suppose this is mRNA, are deposited in egg prior to fertilization because it is present in the body of that mother. So this mother will specify mRNA for that gene and these mRNA will be deposited there in egg. Now when this egg will fuse with this sperm, there will be zygote. In this zygote, mRNA for that gene are already present. They will express, they will form protein and this protein will cause phenotype. So they will express, although the gene is not present in that offspring, gene is absent for this eye color, but mRNA are there. They will express and they will cause that phenotype. So these type of genes are called maternal effect gene, and this phenomenon where genotype of mother is affecting the phenotype of offspring is called maternal effect. Classical example of maternal effect is Backoid and nanos in Drosophila. In case of Drosophila, female, suppose this is female Drosophila, it will produce mRNA for Backoid and nanos, and they will be deposited in egg. When it will fuse with male gamete, so it will be zygote. So they are Backoid and nanos are there, and they will form axis. They will cause axis formation. In Drosophila. So this is, these genes will be called Backoid and nanos maternal effect genes, and this process, this whole phenomenon will be called maternal effect. So what is the maternal effect? Maternal effect is a phenomenon in which phenotype of offspring is affected by genotype of mother, and the gene that causes this phenomenon are called maternal effect genes.